Think you're nailing your barbell curls? What if I told you the move you think builds your arms might actually be holding you back, now or even hurting your gains? Most people think curls are easy, but the truth is, almost everyone in the gym is doing them wrong. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn one simple movement into a muscle-building machine. You've seen it, guys rocking back, swinging their hips, bouncing the bar up like it's on a trampoline. They think it looks strong. But what's really happening? They're cheating the movement and stealing the tension that actually builds the biceps. So today, we're breaking it all down. The mistakes killing your curl gains, the perfect form step by step, and some pro-level tweaks to make your arms feel like they're on fire in the best way possible. By the end, you won't just know how to curl, you'll feel the difference every rep makes. Let's start with the biggest curl killer, momentum. Mistake number one, the swing. When you swing the bar up, you're using your lower back, not your biceps. That's not a curl. That's a mini deadlift. You might lift heavier, but your biceps aren't getting the message. And if you've ever felt lower back pain after curls, now you know why. Leans closer. Every inch of swing takes away tension, and tension is what builds muscle. Mistake number two, elbow drift. This one's sneaky. When your elbows move forward during the lift, your shoulders take over. Your biceps lose isolation, and the tension leaks away. Try keeping your elbows glued to your sides and feel that. That's pure bicep engagement. Mistake number three, half reps. The ego special. People move halfway up and call it a set. But real growth happens when you stretch fully and squeeze completely. If you're not feeling that deep burn from bottom to top, you're just wasting motion. The good news? All these mistakes are fixable. And when you fix them, your results explode. Let's rebuild your curl from the ground up. Here's something to think about. What if the secret to bigger arms isn't lifting more weight, but lifting better weight? Your body is a chain. Every link matters. Your grip, your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulders are all connected. If one joint moves wrong, the tension breaks. So before we fix your curl, let's rebuild your foundation. Step one, the setup. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Grip the bar with an underhand grip, palms up. Keep your wrists straight and not bent back. Chest up, shoulders rolled slightly back, and core tight like you're about to take a punch. Think of your core as the anchor that stabilizes your lift. You wouldn't build a house on sand, and same rule here. Step 5, the lift. Curl the bar up smoothly and no swinging. Keep elbows tight to your sides. Imagine they're pinned there by magnets. As you lift, think about pulling your forearms through your biceps. It's not about moving the bar from point A to point B. It's about making your biceps do all the work in between. At the top, pause for a second, squeeze hard. You should feel your biceps peak contract like they're flexing back at you. Step 3, the lowering phase, eccentric control. Don't drop the bar, control it on the way down. Take 3 to 4 seconds to lower. Keep your elbows still, feel the stretch at the bottom. Here's the truth. Muscles don't grow when you lift the weight. They grow when you resist it. That lowering phase, that's where the magic happens. On the left, swinging, shoulders moving, elbows forward, no tension. On the right, the controlled, isolated, focused tension in every inch. The difference might look small, but it feels massive. Controlled curls will humble your ego, but explode your growth. Your biceps have two heads, long and short. When you keep your elbows close and curl fully, both heads engage evenly. That's what creates that rounded, mountain-like peak you see in pros. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If that foundation wobbles, the top can't stay straight. In lifting, your core is that foundation. It keeps everything stable. And your biceps? They're the crane, pulling up the load smoothly, not swinging it wildly. Tip number 1, the supination trick. Turn your wrists slightly outward as you curl. That twist activates the full length of your biceps, especially the long head. Tip number 2, slow reps for growth. Try 4 seconds up, 4 seconds down. It's brutal, but it skyrockets muscle activation. Tip number 3, focused contraction. At the top, hold the squeeze for 2 seconds. Visualize your biceps flexing there. This mind-muscle connection boosts engagement by up to 20%. Tip number 4, breathe with control. Inhale on the way down, exhale as you curl up. Controlled breathing stabilizes your core and prevents that backward swing. If you're serious about your gains, must stop chasing numbers. Start chasing control. The barbell curl isn't about showing off strength. It's about mastering it. Every perfect rep you do builds discipline. Every sloppy rep teaches your muscles to be lazy. You choose which one you want to repeat. All right, let's put it into action. Grab your bar, drop the weight down a notch, and follow me. Host performs reps slowly. We're going to do 10 flawless reps together. Ready? 1, elbows tight. 2, no swing. 3, slow and controlled. 4, feel that stretch. 5, squeeze at the top. Harder. 6, you're not lifting, you're sculpting. 7, keep breathing. 8, stay tall and control the descent. 10, now hold it. 3, 2, 1, release. Feel that fire? That's real tension. And that's real progress. Let's recap. Keep your elbows pinned. Control every inch of the lift. Don't swing. Feel the muscle, not the weight. If you do this consistently, you'll notice your arms tightening, your form improving, and your strength finally translating into real muscle. Remember, the difference between average and elite isn't effort, it's execution. So here's my challenge to you. Try 10 perfect curls today, no cheating, no momentum. Then comment below how different it felt. If you're serious about mastering your form, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment "control the curl" so I know you're part of the movement. Until next time, keep lifting smart, keep growing stronger, and remember, form first always.